Do you know what the inside layout of this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the left side we have dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If you go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go on the left side. So we have bedroom number 2 here. You can use this bedroom as a kids room. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also study table with 2 chairs and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have 3 feet 6 inches in meter 1.06 meter wide passage here. If you go on the left side, so we have bedroom number 3 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the back side we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.